Is your Amana AC outdoor unit making a rattling noise? Let's diagnose it. Rattling typically indicates mechanical issues like loose components, debris, or refrigerant problems. First, turn off the power at the breaker for safety. Visually inspect the unit for loose screws, bent fan blades, or obstructions like leaves or insects. Try to pinpoint the noise source. Is it coming from the fan, the compressor, or somewhere else? Newer Amana models like the ASX14 and ASXC16 series have smart thermostats that can detect unusual vibrations. But for older units, careful observation is key. Remember, ignoring the rattle can lead to bigger, costlier problems down the road, like compressor failure. According to a 2025 Consumer Reports survey, 22% of AC owners reported rattling, so you're not alone. Identifying the source early can save you from expensive repairs. For loose parts, the primary fix is to tighten any screws or bolts you find on the unit. Start by inspecting the fan blades and motor mounts, ensuring they're secure to prevent vibration. If debris is causing the rattling, carefully remove any dirt, leaves, or obstructions from the unit. Use a soft brush or low-pressure water to clean the condenser coils and surrounding areas without damaging components. For bent fan blades, gently straighten them if you're comfortable doing so. Turn off power first, wear protective gear, and carefully bend the blades back to their original shape to restore balance. Lubricate the fan motor bearings with HVAC-approved oil. This is especially crucial for units over 5 to 7 years old, as worn bearings can cause rattling. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the correct type and amount of lubricant. Check if the unit is properly leveled. Installation errors like uneven mounting can amplify vibrations. Use a spirit level to confirm its level and adjust the base or supports if necessary. If the rattling continues after these fixes, it could indicate refrigerant imbalances or more serious issues like compressor problems. For safety, always consult a certified HVAC technician, especially for electrical components or refrigerant handling. In a real case from a 2024 Reddit thread, a user resolved rattling in their Amana unit by simply tightening a loose fan blade, avoiding $500 in professional service costs. This shows how basic inspections can save money. Experts agree that 80% of rattling noises can be prevented through regular biannual maintenance, catching issues before they require costly repairs.